I wouldn't even go for by description, you know. I born you my MPP. And work at the Bulldog here. But no pay. I saw you say Bulldog are congratulating another Dampa Akufo.
Oh, sir. Bulldog, a whole Bulldog himself.
Yes. Hey, the dog. I say another Dampa congratulations for winning the presidency.
Matters almost here or send me a friend Bulldog.
Now,
Bull God.
What do you mean, your God?
Also a bull God.
He would die as a dog.
He's still a dog.
How dare you come and change your name? He is a bulldog. Baby Akle. Now bulldog. A bulldog. So bulldog are congratulating. Now assembly a man can pay a transidia. Aba many baby na he say assembly wo ma ka be 10 years ago. Na crofoni ma nya adwe hamen so but no kra ni bi kakra kakra. Aba wi bia betu nanum tu aka say wa bre. Ebra wa bre ni so be kuro meka. Na me pese me tu no fo fam fidie so say oni hu kwan so obekasa obi anim a onye din o si Roman father bi anyem no na Roman father ne nyem no akla na nyi enti Roman father no so ahye ne bo say obejai Roman father ni di na onti nanim no be wale no na eya ache
asema ba
enti odabetu to say my baby's father is a Roman father Hona me ba na mani ji yese waka ba oni hu kwan so de betu dwam
oba ni hu kwan
debi dia owo hu kwan obe kasafa obi hu e wo bedwam e ye yire if you are not a wife advertising yourself and your husband is an illegal thing traditionally, an illegal thing socially, and an illegal thing spiritually. But so you have the right to talk about a husband. A baby daddy is not a husband or your baby daddy. This is a funny face.
I want to know what okay.
You only came to deposit a spermatozoa and was nurtured and incubated for you, and you brought out a bee. And it's a Roman father and you hey, you were girls who kromoha. I saw from penny for everyone. Now, so from penny for anointing power, girls anywhere.
Bohobium.
No, what I see to say. Adia bia enka enche e wanyamisumu eye se oni obabeda.
Adia enka wonse.
There is no act of sexual intercourse with any woman on earth that can deprive you of your spiritual gifts. None.
Wow.
I'm telling you, quote me everywhere. There is no spiritual man in the Lord that sexual intercourse can pull you down. You think God is a mini God? No, the traditionalists are confono. And almost endria any abuano. Almost she share say. Where ye obusum na chiwa de enti wo ya abebo dam na nyanyame
ba nyankopon so na chiwa
no nyankopon chiwa de dey na chiwa de ba ko se wan fa Yesu Kristo se wo kra na wa genkwa asa na wo fa Kristo se wo kra na wa genkwa eno ani na chiwa de ye di mun trache ye kan no kra kira mo so for betima yo e wo prayer room opie ya na mfa na so yi se abi obi ani
amana hye nkomo ho
a girls be ho before so for no be ba no owo waiting no ori won and so for be pure sorry them now yeah come out na crop photo for na girls na yom ti say wakoje aduro no your sexual intercourse that your illegal sexual intercourse cannot block the power of God to bring freedom to the people in the church. Sammy, let's learn these things because you see, there are many times that people are trying to block the power of God because and I saw from them maybe black millennium. Now sorry, forget it. They said yeah, Canadian Japan. Sorry, obey your bidding no. Or can't say no sorry no. Yeah. Sorry, forget it.
As some classes say, but obinim da so ya sorry nyoma
me capture Canadian Japan say on to me nya bibia engu obinim sorry da. Just say obinim aye bibia tra atia emra na wo kroi mu no unless obinim does anything illegal to the structures of church planting in Ghana. Apart from that, forget it. To argue, I mean, like it is not part of it. Say Roman fathers now more girls, you know. Maybe my basso won't go somewhere.
Oh, counselor.
Any Roman father who is having illegal sexual intercourse with any girl in the parish or in the convent anywhere, please continue to have your sexual intercourse because a man's potency determines your long life.
Hey, there be counselor to which a
man's sexual potency is what determines your long life.
Counselor, we didn't can you be me.
Be bia wo bobrani wo jira bia ejira wo be maso.
Sɛ obetena se acha.
Enjira wakoma so ejina wo be ma so.
Nya wa ho de na omatu na wa.
Ejina wo be ma ni tebia so. Enti be ma wo be ma wu a enche no wawu.
Na to adwendwene.
Ubewu. What ma say? Enti se ko ba ne se Roman father bi tie me ene. Na Roman father no wani giga bi ho a we ne kakran kakawe no. Na tie. Wo we na anyem no dwimienu. Esa bofra no be nya agya. My father is the Roman father. A good story. My father is the Roman father in this place. A good story. Waiting at me, Pope Francis Benedict Midbanasem. Or say 10 years more to come. No, ye be bia to me say Roman father bet me a wale and so besa e di parish. No, Nyankopon ka be bia da say who want to me some no. The dogma of the Catholic Church.
Bible no class ma say o say mo nwuma say no re ni.
Eti makanda say most of the Roman fathers o want to me wo na. Omako kasha ni Roman sisters no dodo na be ko bunsam jam mo de mo hwe ese hu Roman sister bi na hu fefefe o mo se ye mba be efe na so de Roman sister
no se
what me hu se father bi gina ho ne kala fefefe hu ni skin color ne nu brofo se we ne badachi e be solid wo kromu a na so se onwo people who have the right moral connection with God. When they produce children on earth, their children will become solid and qualified for us. Why are we depriving them rather and giving chance to roof rats to give us children in the country? What I say? But again, I say no mijitum. Roman father nanyem no me meka. Because Roman father no worry na can news.
But we wan worry.
Wan na o say Roman father ne say na onye na adwin say obey father. But I ne papa nhye so. Any mammy near Busian Shasso, you tear me. More shamon basso amonia soft for by force. More shamon bassa amondani bibi. If you force your child to become something that he's not destined to become, the likelihood of them failing by we think they are practicing is higher. Girl, any of you having sexual intercourse with a pastor, with a priest, with a prayer warriors, remember that none of your sexual act can stop the power of God in their life. Say, also for penny, also bempa, Dr. Mesa Otabel, Archbishop Dr. Williams, Bedu Kobi. As of when you know what we are saying, say, how many would that won't pema grown to me, say one da.
I don't know that's what
I don't know what so. I don't to me say, I don't know fast, sank, I don't know remember.
Now, counselor, ya na money because it made use of we actually, so we made you not.
Oh, be a to me, you to me, so be sure. Who met me, my soft for a brabo, I a bassa, also until a brabas into you, no, not mine. I had a basse, besides, gay or cow. Now, now, who put me years of over there? I just an anakia namui. Sammy, send an anakia namui. Nani tell you yes, you'll be to say me nada. Now, be not so for no better.
Good. I'm not in the account.
And you're not in account. Say, ever shock who says so for me, Pema grow home touch him, a solid. As I'm conform Pema grow the powers as we worship leaders. He said, Joe Metal. He said, Kofi. Some Crawford worship.
Brother Samin no menace to
now I don't say to go read why we Nayas Amanayas are born in same manner. Because I grow. When people are anointed in the things of God, they are sexually dangerous and sweet. Until you not so for the order. I did see so bad for the day and say Maria Dibia Akon and Hasaba. And the Roman father now was shaking in your son in our no. Yet I say, dear Yana say. Uncle Sunshabo Fram. Now, onye non bra abofrana brabo. And now one come abedi. Mr. Wasam na minko to us.
As man na person mi busa sa father men can say fathership say sa Roman father akoba ni say no. Sa akoye as a defeat aka so fofo aka Roman fathers omo association no. Say emra ma omo ho kwan so be. Men can say fee be.
And you feel what's a
question in Guasia?
And in Guasia, my wine.
So, be a Roman father. Now, I fetch that call you.
Nakanyanko Pom Pesa Roman father by you, Bianca. Roman father be a bell about all money by Mambrim. Hey, there is a so young who shall swear. Oh, who shall swear? Sorry, the best. There is our who shall sweat in and about 10 and was read the back of an worry.
You're counselor.
I have self control.
Councillor, it's possible me boami.
Anyhow.
No, I have self-control.
To answer no so akwa wi obi a.
The church has 1 million members.
So for me prank over no.
And the chief and the general overseer of the church has so far had sexual intercourse with only 10. And you are talking and making noise. Who dare you? Who born dog? Effie? Mama, being an address said, why do you be so for be sorry, Missy? Or so for be you? Hey, I must swear. Ah, you must have a media me. Fair, we say, some men can't agree to that. Be confessing here and go from body in Chairman. Say, not my mom who's who. I pride myself, say, media. Yeah, me what if you be, you know, me family, they cheat that. And me yet, Madame for phone, you know, to choir, no be the girl call, no more reward. So I thought I was the best. I realized it was pride. I must swear time.
Hey!
And I'm a new
and only mommy and my
swear.
Councillor, we irritate you.
Me say I must swear, say me no be under. I make cardi what woman.
Ah, okay.
And your pride. What in the here? Minister be me say we get bia. Your girls will chrome me to you wonder. What is that to watch me nyaneda? Mwasha budo me nyaneda.
I just don't know what say councillor.
But the man come here message me be man brem.
Hey!
What does it? Esan said the Gina so they want me nibi. So when you have not gotten what the people have gotten and you hear what they are doing, before you condemn what they are doing, ask yourself, am I like them? Bema bia o tu kwan ebe fie ene na yidi start say ye Jankopon de waboa mi o me say nkrofo mi no tu kwan nyina same ba possible same flex omunya mi no mu ko kwantu abeku santana mu nyina mi no mu ko ameka se chalo mo wai no obi ade girl ko yo me me pe o sa bema no ye jimi for me into sabe
Hey! Hey!
Men gi say who catch no ya ma you believe you there be
on you ni on.
and yes there we sana audio how kese to oba no so and tu kwan ko ba bia Nyankopon bo ami kunu na we wan kwhwe ase afi de hu samia oni de ba ohun wa me yiri hu na odwe adwenbone ama
Wakoye.
there be ohun wa on fo bu ma because show me your friend and I'll show your character. So don't use pride. Asofo amon fa mo yire machi. Shut up and stay with your wives. Shut up. Shut up.
Asema councillor kan de na de councillor na de bomb pan wa
shut up. Shut up.
Asem we anu ehye papa.
If you are a prophet that you've never had sex with any other woman before apart from your wife, shut up. Those who are doing it, allow God to deal with them. You are not the one to talk. Osofo draw, ye and shut up. Osofo draw, oh can wagin na can just stick to wagin. Say wona wa wari ukunu, wa wari oyire kafra. And na wo fa na chida. And no just so mo fa girls no me npa bone.
Asofo be na okay.
Me can sofo draw. The last message about
and tie sofo tie.
O kan nyame asem. Ba nyame asem do no kan nyame asem. E ye na adwe na o kire.
Ye wa sofo mo kan nyame asem. Ye wo de ono so
ye wa sofo a o kasa na fitifiti ase na o kan nyame asem. Edu be bia na fa ne yem na o kan adwe. Master, we are using pride to destroy the church of God. And then you baby, ama awo ho atochema e wa sorry them. Me din komo na ka cho say. Ye di un komo bebre aka nkrofo se ukwa awade ase na awade a. Uhun ni fa so ukwa awade na se. Maka wa ha.
Waka.
Oba de ye wala ukwa awade ase a uhun fa so ne se ukowo. Bema ubefo bi de hia du kofia. Ebusua ne twen se anya den. Onfa wo embre fio. So ukwa awade ase na wa nwo a. Uhun ni fa so se ukoye. Memo bi tra be nkase. And you'll be an shut your mouth up.
I want to come baby because my who couple be a one cassa de tenacity say because of a juma your banner carrier, be money carrier, Antino. You almost so more worried, and so more home wreck a crack. It be a bear 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Society no frown upon say mobile worry enough 4, 5 years now way but couple on the day. Or more dear to say your juma tino. Yamaya home wreck a crassy and sunny. Counselor, I don't know sign it here with
the kind. When we get married and we make a decision between the two of us, say, I am traveling and leaving Ghana to go and do my master's. And because of my master's program, I am not ready to have a child now. I am traveling to go to Ethiopia. And because of my ABCD, I'm a missionary. I work in a missionary hospital. And for that matter, the policies in the mission shows that I can't get pregnant at so time. I'm an air hoster. And within the air hosting thing, when I get married, I'm supposed to give myself 5 solid years of practicing before I can come off the flight. These things are standards. How many say? Obia wari oba. Shani professional. Enyani sika. Shani professional ne what they are professional compatibility. Say how compatible is the profession, not the income.
Okay.
It is Sammy flesh. Sammy man himself or tears is here. You can say Sammy would him say a Juma banana perform and say waba. Now sorry now Kowari be this go him and move you one of your what must say? So you look at your professional doctors why necessary now what they what must say? Because both of them are having the same professional challenges.
Doctor, the same profession.
Because someone share. Obi o wari guy bi o yedma o mice. Nurse wari obi o yedma o mice. Time my boy dey call off no. Na oba on. Enti mo wadi ehun na e motira no. Empema gro no nta emba.
We be sorry no.
Na we call. Enti mu nhia mo ho. So you think of what we call professional compatibility.
Okay.
What must say? Enti so be no be far adwin say I don't want to have a child now until 5 years. Enye me how. Okay. But my question is that before you make such a decision, do you know your status?
Say 5 years, be do no.
No, before the 5th year.
Okay.
What is your clinical status?
Okay.
Ube melimunsuo enkomwa na ya de hye nyense no. What dia no ejina so ane watochema. Ask yourself, what is my status to impregnate a woman? Is my spermatozoa active? Do I have eggs that are able to, as it were, produce babies when they meet right sperm? Do I have any challenge? If you say, what can say, my man who fear do, if fear me and son men conquer worry, and son men conquer war. The kind, ye beside who say, I am be and fear do nachino, who ben your men postana. What the commander say? No could a woman say, Adia will refi, get you some ideas in the motive. For
Councillor, do he dear?
I'm not sure you the fight camera in my I don't say TikTok. Ni brand na yedin.
Philomena Gweteng.
Brand na yedin. You guys say TikTok.
Why brand na yedin?
TikTok.
Oh, was your friend Tick?
Your friend there.
Tick.
Na tak no one.
What you mean to baby?
Yeah, judge to say Bulldog or say friend Bulldog. Cause that's why they na just say utam camera dey. Well, my body is social dey crowd dey. Nyankopon so timi ade ma de pachi anu age din bia da ko ede. Wa hwe already yesu pa Nyankopon. Nyame so dey o hebi o nyame ayi bia ye chi e camera ne mu ma so ye chale be susu ato ama ko e breast cancer. Why? This breast size is where 30 we.
The councillor Samuel man no breast enlargement it's
a poverty mentality.
Sir?
Yes, enhancing your body is biblically accepted. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh, I see.
Bible say beauty pageant is not a sin before the Lord. When brides were chosen in the biblical dispensation for kings, representing God doing the bride choosing.
Beauty pageant
every time there's a beauty pageant.
Yes.
They select people to come and parade to show their beauty, and they choose the best out of the ugly ones. But must say, it is the kind of baby cannot go any new for Bible to my say, sons of someone say, our sister's breasts are small, so we can't give her out of marriage. And your body new for short say, get your funny mawadi, bema befoko.
Councillor.
Sammy, say when you bring on Gamagro,
I am a man for no cook or Ghana.
As a one point, another
councillor, when you my man for more year no more breastless or more breast and then also be brown. Men
have short life. If you marry a woman with little breast, you have short life.
How?
As a man, any man who goes out with a girl with that breast by the chest have short life.
And
I'm saying short life. No for our years, I say, now call them. Oh, yelling again. What are you talking? Oh, you know for concepts, I won't tell you.
Councillor, and then bloggers who stories from their blog.
You can't look there. Wait, yourself. No for this was so shall not too much.
And so, yeah,
Pamela, is a Pamela no for.
A Pamela, dear,
or damn it,
and your name.
Who for me to say Pamela or damn it, no for. Ubebre. I saw come be no bro because I just swam. Now, Ben, we're told. What must say? Kakrebi between them. They say Moesha Budon. None Tony Amefe. Come, you can't cry. But now see Okoshemu, a pound. And now Koshemu not the past the one. And it ain't say D board.
And your Fabium.
Enya nkrofo bi fe, but first na me am fe sisi enya me fe. Obi ti say Moesha Budon, say bi o say nyame ma no ho kwan na oyi no ho eto o ma me a, me be ma bejo.
Hey, sir.
No.
What do you for more adwuma?
Because I feel bad say wa pa de no ho. Enti wo to so a na wo sika ko shem.
No full so na wo sika.
Ko shem. Na sika ni nyamba ya ti say girl we men dress say. What ma say?
But
for socks chassis and cash chassis. Enhance it.
Counselor.
What she be that? Men count her. You radio show. Men came you has me. Minimum na see my men count radio show. Gani ma meet ye. What was it? It's patcho men count. Me ye for men come. Because sana possible ko kan again na de na ichirim. Ye pie no gina moti wo twan.
O go fast am.
And go for station party e careful. What must say? Unufu so a ko ye ho adwuma. Enti me person me kan koma ye di ni bebia me ba ne say awo hu nya wa wade. So what's my kind say? What if the couple makes a decision not to have a child now? Before you make a decision, not stand against it, but know your clinical status. Dr. Watson Chemo say, "Brana be say now TBM mo te say. Get your T we you be a friend of preconceptional care." Preconceptional care. And it says a menya and wale ya menya and wo ya no. Brantie yo be hwam say na it is so be editing.
Oyes a oba ha on pill.
Hwani mu maso. O shina de sama ya tro mu maso no girl.
Usia na usu hu na na ebo mu maso.
Ya tro no girl oba bi ampe.
Omo so mo problem o.
The bonyeska. Improve your status. Don't change your picture. Improve your status.
I know you.
When you change your status, improve. Say change your status, there's a picture. Another we not in the picture come to status, but we say improve.
When you improve your status,
improve this. Charlie one anti-ache. You not talk. I know can out in the if you make a decision to have a child after 5 years in marriage, check your status.
Okay.
Am I potent enough that 5 years I can do that? Number two, check your financial standing in 5 years. Check your age in 5 years. Who are girl now when you're 55? In 5 years, when you're 60. So we are bem with Juma Yeni. Now we are civil servant. 60 years, no by retirement. Massa.
I know the open.
Kids will be answer. So we are Busumi Jumani at your what made the Kojibosia. What does it? Enti Sika Yadisha Bofra Esha Yireno. Say after 60 years or retire, and when you want to make a decision that I want to have a child, but this child should come after so and so years in the marriage, watch it. Number two, Obi Woho, and yes, or Cassa year 5 years old. But show me the any beer. And yani bio. Sammy, let me repeat this statement here.
Okay.
Or baby, I will to Kwanja or Cotton brochure beyond your normal standard of waiting, and your faithfulness beyond say, oh, China, a foolishness.
Hey, a free faithfulness, I bear foolishness.
It is not food faithfulness.
Now, counselor, what was the normal waiting period? Or Barney bet me, I can say, oh,
the normal waiting period is not dependent on the marriage, it's dependent on the individual.
Wow.
What is her capacity of waiting? So I am not determining her capacity to wait for me. Or not to honor, or yam, you know. And fear send no better trust ya bear man to find home can who team you. Or baby Walea, or to trust it, and the reason is because I don't have anybody that can have sexual intercourse with me, so I can stay without sex.
Because me worry on what cycling and what
so I am a virgin.
Okay.
I've decided to keep my celibacy because there is no man in my life. Now I am married. How dare you tell me to continue staying away without sex?
Counselor, what can say more? Wawari ma society no wo no bia nim say dey wawari. So
there's a change of mind. I am no more that same girl who was able to stay without sex. Now there is a registered male organ for me. Here come my husband telling me, say, baby edunun to me. Mimbo moding na min koso ensha me hoso who born dog. What is a girl na Korea? Yes, wafa ni kunechi. Wafa de bechi. So the determination of waiting, you want crophobia, yes. But the man wants you to see the viability of his traveling out of Ghana. And I make a bre amayenina. Et me ko brocha ko ekrata. Na brochi ko ekrata, krata good form abrochire bema. You want shisha ye faso de ekrata. San shisha no enye do and die. Enye indelibly acceptable say. Jemen sambeba be kire se pe the voters results no. Nana do Dankwa is the president. Enye cut in stone. obi to me call first 3 years nyame ye na doma no anya ne nkrata obi atira brochire 20 years onya nkrata na onya ya nso no otumi baga na bio eti ebane say na wodi akwantuo how do you use travel as your yardstick of waiting to start making babies
obi asem the message
Ose
tia so ya ware a ye gi ayire no ho ye kwa afe ni abafie ye kwa afe ni abafie no
munyina mo ya yale for
wajja ne yire si wo for 1 year
oye yale for enti na ba eti mrana ye de worry in the civil marriage no kire say u check cap 127 law na enacting so or say you can go and annul marriages when sexual intercourse doesn't happen after 1 year
so ware na say for 1 year
no sex, you have the right to go for annulment of the marriage and legally you'll be able to divorce.
Wow.
Enti na microphone ni mra no o twensa afi ba ko no adwa no be ba ko no da sell no
ye ni hwe nyi
wa be ba ko enti oni menda ane bisa ne say da me da January December year 24
9 months bi ana 8 months
wa be ba ko and ba ko no ba one of the painful things is that the man comes in January. He comes in December to have sexual intercourse with you. Hear me well. Now, when he comes down, your opportunity to get pregnant as a woman is once in a month. It's likely that before the man buys tickets to come to Ghana, you have finished ovulating.
Yeah.
So all the sexual intercourse is going to have with you before he goes back in 1 month is not going to be viable enough for him to meet your ovulating eggs. Now you see, you are barren.
Na asa ko yanim guase asa dia ma
Nikunu di na dasa me see me wo cases and microphone to kwan but they run shift every time the woman is ovulating the man is on shift what I say
they okay dia me no ga
bema se wo be ya adua wo awade mu a awo hia e na dia me kan se wo ba ko awo mu a onwo ye
o ba ko aware mu a
onwo ye
counselor no say
mo ama wo ba ko na and I have one child you are nothing.
Like
you are the same like the one who has no child. God never gave you one egg. Your husband was not given one spermatozoa. So continue giving birth unless otherwise you have some particular clinical challenge. Say doctor say unwa tochima uko awosu bioma when ne be yaw enti untumi wubio eno a different story altogether. But enye say unwa tochima but tie me wa wutie me ne makwa befu makwa ye nhwehwemu ye kire wo say bema na aware na your friend possible no it's not possible for him to impregnate you jaware no sami tie mi o oba wutie me mentina wade ho embo mpa ye ntwa nyankopon after 10 years wawale obi your friend possible ade ho so nya adwuma I will say with God all things are possible bema ne ho so are it is not because it's called possible, it is possible. Akwani who's worried?
With God, all things are possible.
Now, with God, we say, but with God. There was a clause, but with God. But.
And so say nyame bamwa
or say now so is an if clause now just a bibia ma bibia ganya then and to me for when it's so and to nyankopon so and I'm declaring in the name of Jesus that these depths you may catch them last week say you will no sperm you will low sperm and you will normal and you will low you will know at the end you know and nyame akwa nkyere now so fi mu ko ukọ hwehwem na say wutumi nyima men tira wade na say
Counselor Mamimbia Matrofon na ye ne atifo.
Bi etum na wo ho hia.
Awo ho hia. Abusia wo fra abadwumade ne so bia ensem a counselor kan wo question bi busa. Ana how person ka bi to ne de so. Number ne 0204 875 0209 875 875. Komode dia dis wo didi. Wo se nyakopon tumi ade nyina ye. Wo de onko didi wo pese wo fu ye ma.
Enya ni bie.
Hello. Yes, about us within baby free. Obed, okay, any counselor kasa.
Was it then?
Was it now waiting here?
I didn't think wale. I didn't think wale.
Na ba kwa kwa jama.
Na krata idi tukwa ni iri nyabi. Oh, we on him there. Now, on country and on him there. While so
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yeah. Good guy. Good afternoon, baby. Hour.
Good afternoon.
Oh, okay. Talk me, man. Counselor.
The job was a body here. The mobile money 0277609644.
Okay.
Obi awo ni how we say na be bad time and them brasa.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, Brandy. Good afternoon. Oba papa. So me hu pa. Okay.
The job was a body no. You go.
Debbie. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Oba papa that's hello. Hello.
Some sound come on and make us say the spiritual implication and physical implication. Next week you to sound come on. There's a spiritual implication. Say unto me what. You be call nyame asem. You be call DC for ho. Ni ma kire mu de nti a wo bia unto me wo. But see oba ya otie me de. Otie awade hu na ukunu wi wa. Jare na yo me foforo. Yanko.
Hello. Ike, I was. Ike na pomo e. Yes, you're pa. Ike me enti we counselor. Also Jimomo. Na why out I take counselor pa. And I'll manage 10%.
There be any way to me 10%. There be OTR 0.5.
Hello.
10%. Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Uh-huh.
18.
Uh-huh.
Flee from sexual immorality.
Uh-huh.
All other sin a man commits are outside his body. But he who sins sexually sins against his own body.
But that's what.
Do you know that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own, but you were bought at the price. Therefore, honor God with your body. And also,
you can't say about can't church and watch there. Can't fit the 13. No, more can't fit the 13. 6:13. And I don't can hold that.
What free so?
Who can't 13? See, food for the stomach and the stomach for food. Food for the stomach, the stomach for food. On Bible now more kind of. Enya humaswo. Ya kind edimanim. Afina musua. Enti your body you see. But if you have sexual immorality, it's a sin against who?
God.
Your own body.
Your own body, yeah. If you have sexual, yeah, your own body.
Your body.
Not in your coupon now. We have wow, you pay.
Me dama brim na me tin de nyankopon. Oh my God. Chale.
On va on apra.
What's na we fa on na ya bona nyame pede ho.
And there your wow body.
It's your body.
Just the Bible.
And if God wanted you to have sexual intercourse only when you are married, like he would deprive you of the ability of erection before marriage. But it is self-control.
Sorry. But it's what the my
na virgin a watena ne ho so a onya bi be ma ware no atuko agotena brochire na say you are faithful to wait for the man. What is the essence of the marriage? Your brother is not here to marry you. Okunu ni obeware na enu nua be ma gire mu say onware ma owie na owie a yesi waye bone ugire mu ma obi a una ye kunu na sunsum ya gi wato mo we
I will say next week Sunday Thursday you be see now, Council, next week, the
spiritual implication.
Wow.
There is a social implication. Acrophobia to me. There are even political implication where some people cannot give birth.
Wow.
What was here? You want acrophobia among say or Roman father be home. You want acrophobia so for being a so many more. You want acrophobia among say and want acrophobia. Can you walk into the place? Connect yourself into your software. Now you're being a software you are. Men gender say wo ompema gro no wo gwen say why boni na yewu me say ade back one ye yitidua wo nyankopon nim ye ne say refusing to accept the Lord as your Lord and personal savior.
Okay,
once you accept him as your Lord and personal savior, ye ni ade bi obetima yama anointing na fi wo so aya woni nyame ntem.
Okay, counselor, ye call your brass from your this year
0277 609 644. Now, so the 2 years, epam suit to sha. And on chess a one effect. Material answer 0277 609 644. Nipanya scan and yefu your flat. Onya sika kakra na yefu be kese. It is here who onya handsome boy. Yo hia onya dwani penny 0277 609 644. Yamananado. Congratulations.
Okay.
Emma Mahama Yako. Any sukasi. MPP4 Mweninji. NDC4 Mweninji. Uko parliamentarian area bi ama winia. Mungwanyom muhurono. Adenta na muhurono. Madina na muhuro Boniface. What must say? Na muhuro uko osukote. Na muhuro. Baby abeko MPP alusu bi ahuro won. Sanso na abehuro na waji wani. Na ka obi a ani je hye. News mo ambeka news mun jasa nyama no. Mama mon kan krofo ni je hye. Mo ko report fi Madina dia ba se nkrofo bi du omani ama nkrofo bi ani abre.
I will share the Jumadi and the Bessia, but Councillor Lutheran Amotonica Thursday, your friend is Samuel Nana Brown from Sammy Brown. Many Nana very much DJ possible did Jumadi and the Bray. Nyakutomu some Cassia at 12 so could you see one so how Maji and so so now Daniel could be
thank you very much for joining us today. Today our discussion was simple. Getting questions and answers from people what they have come. We compile or people thought that what they are saying is that they have decided to make babies at a particular later time. But we say that if you decide to have babies, nobody can stop you. But one of the things you have to learn is that when you decide to have babies, then the next thing you want to learn is that learn to know your status clearly before you decide to have babies later in marriages. Don't let your spouse travel and leave you, go to Abuchi and decide to come back and come and marry you and come and impregnate you after 5 years, after 6 years, whilst you don't know your status. Maybe fibroid is blocking your womb. Maybe you have a challenge with your uterus. You have a challenge with your fallopian tubes. Don't wait. And then later when your husband comes back, you become a burden to society. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honor to have all of you watch me today. God bless you for being part of our deliberation and discussion today. It is important for you to know that marriage is sweet. And if you are a virgin and you get married, and all of a sudden, the man who has come to marry you have decided to travel and leave you in Ghana and go and stay in UK, the time he wants is the time he comes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you are the uncle's husband, please don't mind him. Well, I'm sorry to say that it is not marriage. Even your Bible that you read tells you that if you are fasting, come fast so that the devil will not tempt you. 0277 609 644. Let me say a big thank you to all of you who supported us, who have been supporting us from the beginning of the year to this time. Ghana has made the history that we've all wished for, and that is why we are proud of Ghana, the biggest history in the world, where the most peaceful election ever organized. Whether people accept the elections or they are yet to contest the election, whatever it is, it's been generally peaceful. 17 million people going to cast their vote. Even when you have 10 people casting their votes in an offices, we have chaotic situation happening. This time, the spiritual battle has ended. The physical battle have ended, and it has proven to all of us that no matter what happens, one person must stand as the president, and we are not cutting hands, we are not cutting legs, we are not burning cars, we are not burning, other people's properties, but there's a proof of democracy, which is not fairness happening in the part of our world. Congratulations, 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 congratulations. Nana Ododankwa Akufo-Addo. Thank you too very much, Your Excellency, one and only John Dramani Mahama. You've done well. It's not been easy. You've contested well. You've proven to us Ghana has done the best. We've taken MPs off their seats. And right now, the MPs are thinking. The MPs are thinking that what happened? What did they do right? They constructed the road. They paid the fees of people. They gave people money to vote for them. They gave them sardine. They gave them rice. They gave them water. They gave them matches. They gave some of them panties. Some of them had condoms. Some people, they paid their funeral rights, but still they voted against them. This is democracy. You will know that you can't coerce people with matches box, sardine, rice, and oil. Nobody can curse you. Better. A man I am too can call him. Say, go to my MPs also. When Pierre lose you, must be doing here for 4 years. That was a one in the party or a Bermudia, a Caribbean shop. She's scanning ye. As I say, I will lose you there. One shall come the red room. Via to a tofu away. Hey, Krumbe, I miss the winner. Congratulations once again, Your Excellency, Nana Akufo-Addo, for being the president elect in Ghana. Democracy. John Dumelo, better luck next time. People will mock you. Take it like that. It's normal. John Babi, Yababi Asamoah, people will mock you. Take it like that. Who again? Boniface. People will mock you. Take it like that. Who again? The rest who have won. You two, please hoot at them. Mock them. Use your victory to show them, say, wedding. Don't let anybody shut you down. Celebrate. Celebration time. Celebration time. Congratulations. Nana Akufo-Addo. Better luck next time, Your Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. All the MPs who have lost, you are now learning your lessons. Go back to the drawing board. What didn't you do right? So that the next time, you go back and learn it. Nobody can come and remove the road. All the asphalt they did during the election, they can't remove it. If you think you are a man, the places you want to construct road, go and remove it. Like the way you go and collect bicycles from people who didn't vote for you. This is the time that you are going to construct a road. You have gone to construct a road. You have done street lights. You are going to paint people's houses. And now you have lost the election as an MP. Go back and remove the asphalt. Go and remove it. Go and remove the asphalt. You are now learning the lessons of the Ghanaian population. That 70 million people have made better decisions right now. You, the MPs who don't go to parliament, some of you are busy for nothing. Now, your vote is important to your president. Your vote is important to your party. Don't go. You better figure. Hey, Ghana, baby. Congratulations once again. Good night. I'll see you another time. Bye-bye for now. We'll meet later in the afternoon.